Hello everyone, I just received my happiness box by the door. I haven't seen anybody opening it. I haven't seen Jenny open the box. I haven't seen any preview, so it's brand new to me. It's the first time I'm opening. I thought it would be a good time for me to record it quickly so you can see what's inside it. This is my September package. And if you are not interested to see what's inside it and you are looking for a surprise, do not watch. Stop it here. But if you are interested to see what's inside it, I'm gonna open my box and show you what's going on. Now, one more thing that, I am ordering the narrow size and dotted inside. Everything is dotted. This time I'm supposed to have the full box, meaning journaling and planning and everything. So let's go through this together. All right, it's here, my monthly package. Let me put these on the side so we can get excited together. All right, guys, I'm going to start with stickers. Let's take a look at the stickers. Oh, wow. All the very warm stuff. Cute. We live in Florida, so I think those very warm clothing may not be relevant to me, but this is still very cute. All right, I like this one. A lot of coffee, love coffee. So coffee is very relevant. Of course, it's apple season. Love the bird, very cute. And I love that little notebook. So we getting 4 pages of a sticker, 2 and 2. All right, I'm going to open up my cards now, see what's going on with the cards. This is the one I don't normally use so much, the card. All right, this is a September one. The gal, the blonde girl is on the top. Very nice, I like that. I think these are very, very cute. This is very nice, donuts and coffee and the Power Girls. We get 2 of each. This is very fall related, very cute. Miss here, guys, this is pretty. And the autumn leaves, oh yes. And beautiful, beautiful apple cards. Okay, I think this is my very favorite card so far, all of the stuff. All right, let's take a look at, this is apple. We have another apple from another package. I do like it. It's very pretty. Not so sure what is this one, so I think I have to open in order to see exactly what is the washi. All right, let's open it, and I think I was successfully opening this. Okay, this is pretty. Yeah, I like the color combination. And the very last one is this. This is a very nice one as well, so I think I like it. We use the plain one even more. All right, and the most exciting part, guys, I am opening from back. All right, let's flip it. This is my September. It's a very cute Power Girl on the top. Let's take a look in the back. And with this package, we have a full Saturday and Sunday, meaning we have full 7 days a week. And this is the journaling. It's a very related picture. I do like it. But I think I like the back even more. Very, very pretty. Thank you, guys. This is my Planner Perfect box, and we'll talk soon. Bye.